Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can save content warning videos to your PC. So get the camera, you can pick up a flashlight. I'm just going to do it quickly because I'm too scared to play by myself. So I'm just going to go up here. Whoops, let's close the door. I forgot to close the door. Then you're going to press the submerge button. Okay, there we go. And now that I'm here, I'm just going to open the door here. And I'm just going to go out a little bit to record just like a little bit here. Get the camera, press 1, and you're just going to hit your mouse button to record. You can kind of aim it a little bit better. And that's it. You can even make it as like selfie mode like this, which is pretty cool. Okay, let's just go back and I'll show you how to like save it into your PC. Sorry, I'm not going to try to fight monster because I'm too scared, okay? Did I even hit return to the surface? Okay, there we go. Now that I'm here, I'm going to open the door and then we are going to... Where is my camera? Oh, there we go. I think I just drop it there. And then we are going to extract the video and we're going to get the CD, so pick it up. And then we're going to go to this area. We're going to upload it to SpookTube. There's not a lot as you can tell. The view isn't going to be a lot as well because I didn't see any weird, creepy things. And then you're just going to select save video to desktop, press OK, and it's just going to be saved into your desktop and you can just find it. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I said that twice. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.